Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Dodge Ram 1500 key fob battery. First, identify the correct 3-volt coin cell battery, often a CR2032 or CR2450. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver. Begin by locating the emergency key release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button and slide out the physical emergency key, setting it aside for now. Now, with the emergency key removed, you will see a small slot or seam where the key was. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this gap. Gently twist the screwdriver to create a small opening. Work your way around the seam, carefully prying the two halves of the key fob apart. Some models might have a tiny screw, so check for that if it resists opening. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to note which way the positive side is facing, usually indicated by a plus sign. Use your small screwdriver to gently pry out the old 3-volt coin cell battery. Now, carefully insert the new battery, ensuring the positive side faces up, just like the old one. Try to avoid touching the battery's surface with your bare fingers. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure they fit together perfectly. Press them firmly until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Finally, slide the emergency key back into its slot until it clicks. Now, test all the buttons on your key fob to confirm it is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.